My name is Jean-Marc Julien, and I'd like to welcome you to my course, Scraping Your First Web Page with R. I'm a software engineer who's been working with data for most of my career. I'd like to show you how the R programming language makes it very simple and easy to do web scraping. This course is a quick introduction to web scraping with R, and no prior experience is required. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include getting oriented to the web scraping workflow so you can have an idea of the steps that involve web scraping. Then, we'll cover identifying the data you need in a web page, and we'll get to see the tools that we can use to help us in this process, such as the Selector Gadget tool. And also, we'll learn how to extract data from a web page, and we'll learn about RVest, which is a R package that will help us do this. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation to get started scraping your first web page with the R programming language. I'm excited to begin this journey with you to scrape our first web page in R, so let's get started.